like to decorate the house with these scary decorations, Morphle. Skeleton! Can you tie this rope to the roof, Morphle?
Oh dear, I'd been so busy with my inventions, I completely forgot it's almost Halloween. I'm far too late to still buy Halloween decorations. Gone, sold out, sold out, sold out. Wait a minute, this looks promising. Real, actual, scary, cursed Egyptian bat god sarcophagus. Can be delivered immediately. Order! Now that's what I call quick service. No, wait! Come back!
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
That's it. Keep still.
Professor Rashid, do you need help?
Mila? Morphle? Oh, that would be wonderful.
Can you catch it, Morphle?
Let's get it back to the lab. There we go. Back where you belong.
Hello?
Huh?
Is anyone there? I can't find the light switch.
The mayor, what are you doing here?
I don't know. The last thing I remember is a large bat and a bright light. Oh dear, I think the bat guard turned you into a bat.
Bat God?
Yes, well, you see, I ordered this actual cursed bat god sarcophagus online, and I'm beginning to suspect it might actually be cursed.
Then we need to find that Bat God as soon as possible.
None of these bats is the bat god. Where could it be?
Oh no! Morphle, go catch the Bat God while I catch the professor.
Don't forget the ruby.
Don't you think it might be dangerous to give him back the ruby?
Well, there is a 30-day no-questions-asked refund, but it needs to be complete.